Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start at the home screen. Make sure you're signed into the correct user. Press the PS button to center the dashboard and confirm the game icon you want to remove is visible. If your library is packed, use the left stick to scroll the row. Once located, hover over the game tile but don't open it. You need the Options menu. This step sets the context so you don't accidentally remove the wrong title. With the tile highlighted, press Options to reveal the game menu. You'll see Remove from Home and sometimes Delete. Choose Remove from Home to clear the shortcut, but keep the game installed. Choose Delete only if you want to uninstall the game and free space. Make sure to read the confirmation text because Delete removes installed data. Once you confirm, the system updates instantly and the tile disappears from the home row. After removal, check the home screen. The tile should be gone. If it persists, restart the console and verify again. Should you later want the shortcut back, open Game Library, find the installed title, press Options and select Add to Home. If icons are corrupt or the home layout doesn't update, rebuild the database in safe mode. This fixes cataloging without deleting installed games. If problems continue, sign out and back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.